Welcome to the future of precision crafting and engraving. Introducing the TwoTrees TTS-55 Pro, the ultimate 80W laser engraving cutting machine designed for both professionals and enthusiasts. With cutting-edge 445 ±5 nm blue light technology, this powerful CNC laser engraver delivers unparalleled precision and quality for all your engraving and cutting needs. Ease of use is at the heart of the TwoTrees TTS-55 Pro. Its intuitive setup process means you can get started quickly without any hassle. Thanks to its Wi-Fi connectivity, you can control your engraver remotely. Simply connect to the machine from your smartphone or computer and manage your projects from anywhere in the workshop. Whether you're working with wood, acrylic, leather, or other materials, the TwoTrees TTS-55 Pro handles it all with remarkable ease. The 80W laser power ensures clean cuts and intricate engravings every time. Create custom designs, personalized gifts, or intricate artworks. The TTS-55 Pro unlocks endless creative possibilities for your projects. And for those moments when Wi-Fi isn't available, the TwoTrees TTS-55 Pro offers offline control, ensuring you can continue working without interruption. Perfect for hobbyists, small businesses, and creative professionals, this machine is designed to elevate your craftsmanship to new heights. Experience the precision of 445 ±5 nm blue light technology, which provides superior contrast and detail, making every project a masterpiece. The TwoTrees TTS-55 Pro has transformed the way I create. The quality and precision are unmatched. I love the flexibility of the Wi-Fi control and offline mode. It's perfect for my busy workshop. Ready to take your engraving and cutting projects to the next level? Visit our website to order your TwoTrees TTS-55 Pro today and unlock your creative potential. TwoTrees, precision, power, possibilities. Order now and start creating with the ultimate laser engraver. Visit our website.